Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is September 19, 2025. Here's what we are covering. As academic cheating evolves with technology, generative AI, Gen AI, companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are positioning themselves as allies in education, aiming to be seen as enhancers of learning rather than obstacles. These firms are actively engaging with college campuses at the start of the fall semester, marketing their products to both students and faculty as tools that support rather than undermine educational integrity. They're navigating the challenges of integrating AI into academic settings by offering workshops and direct engagement through campus clubs and ambassador programs, aiming to demystify their technology and promote effective use. Universities like Duke and Texas A&M are responding by hosting educational workshops to familiarize students with Gen AI, acknowledging its inevitability in modern education, and striving to prepare their communities for a future where AI is an integral part of learning and teaching. Shifting focus to children. At the University of Cambridge, researchers Dr. Emily J. Goodacre and Professor Jenny Gibson are examining the impact of AI-powered toys on children's development and privacy rights. Highlighting the influence these toys have on forming children's social interactions and understanding of relationships, the study raises concerns about the potential for AI toys to overstep boundaries by sharing children's conversations with others, thus risking their privacy. Furthermore, the research points to the widening digital divide, where children from affluent backgrounds gain early AI literacy under adult supervision, leaving those from less privileged families at a disadvantage. This disparity underscores the need for public discussion and informed decision-making among parents and guardians to navigate the complexities of children's engagement with AI toys. Now, over to Italy. Italy has become the first EU country to pass a comprehensive AI regulation, setting a precedent with its extensive law that addresses the deployment of artificial intelligence across various sectors, including healthcare, education, justice, and public services. After a year of discussions, the Italian Senate's approval marks a significant move by Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni to ensure AI's use is human-centric, transparent, and safe, while also fostering innovation and economic growth. The legislation introduces strict penalties for misuse, including prison terms for spreading harmful AI-generated content and harsher sentences for using AI in committing fraud or identity theft. Oversight of the law's implementation falls to the Agency for Digital Italy and the National Cybersecurity Agency, with a focus on updating the national AI strategy. Meanwhile, the law encourages domestic innovation by allocating up to €1 billion for investments in AI startups and firms, highlighting Italy's commitment to leading in ethical AI development within the European Union. Meanwhile, in tech giants, Google Cloud is making strides in the competitive cloud computing market by securing deals with AI coding startups Lovable and Windsurf, underscoring its growth against rivals AWS and Microsoft Azure. Despite being overshadowed by its larger competitors and Google's own advertising business, Google Cloud's revenue is surging, with a reported annual run rate of $50 billion and an anticipated $58 billion in new revenue over the next 2 years. The platform's success is partly due to its popularity among AI startups, with 60% of the world's generative AI startups and 9 out of the top 10 AI labs, including Safe Superintelligence and OpenAI, choosing Google Cloud. This trend is bolstered by the significant cloud costs associated with training and running AI models, marking a lucrative phase for cloud businesses amid a global market expected to exceed $400 billion in 2025. Turning to browser advancements, Google has announced a significant expansion of AI functionalities within its Chrome browser, marking a transformative phase for the platform. In the coming weeks, users will witness the integration of AI across various aspects of Chrome aimed at enhancing user experience. A notable feature includes the Gemini button on desktop versions, facilitating inquiries and summaries about content across open tabs. Additionally, Gemini will extend its capabilities to mobile, with plans to incorporate it into Chrome for iOS devices. The update also introduces an AI mode in the Omnibar for web searches and enhances Chrome's security with new AI tools for detecting scams. Furthermore, Google plans to introduce agentic control in Chrome, offering users more sophisticated interaction with their devices through advanced AI systems. Regarding cybersecurity, OpenAI has addressed a significant security flaw in ChatGPT that exposed Gmail users' data to potential theft, as discovered by Radware. This vulnerability, found in the deep-research ChatGPT agent, could have let hackers access sensitive information without the need for user interaction. OpenAI confirmed the fix on September 3rd, emphasizing their commitment to enhancing security measures and the importance of external research in identifying such risks. This incident highlights the growing concerns around AI tools in cybersecurity, prompting Google to develop autonomous systems for real-time threat detection, showcasing the evolving landscape of digital defense mechanisms and the new challenges it presents for corporate cybersecurity strategies. Finally, Apple's innovations. Apple has launched the AirPods Pro 3, a groundbreaking advancement in artificial intelligence technology, priced at $250, that offers real-time language translation directly into the user's ears, the New York Times reports. This innovative feature, which marks a significant leap from Apple's previous iterations of AI tools, interprets spoken foreign languages and translates them into the user's native language, essentially acting as a personal interpreter. Despite minor inaccuracies, such as occasional pronoun mix-ups, the device has been praised for its practical application in enhancing communication across language barriers, proving particularly useful for travelers, children of immigrants, and professionals dealing with non-English speaking clients. The AirPods Pro 3's translation capability, powered by Siri, is seen as a stride towards bridging cultural and linguistic divides, offering a seamless, efficient way to understand and connect with others. This development reflects Apple's commitment to advancing AI technology, showcasing its potential to significantly improve everyday life despite the company's previous challenges in AI implementations. Thanks for listening to this episode.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.